and welcome to the Simplicity and Lifestyle channel. My name is Psyche and today we are playing a band called TLC. They were massive and I think they're still going. I lost one of their members a few years back now, Left Eye, which was a tragedy. But you know, they are such a fantastic band and one of their biggest hits was Waterfalls. So without much further ado, let's get straight into the Psyche titles and let's get watching TLC's Waterfalls.
Because my life is 10 shades of gray. I pray all 10 fade away, seldom praise him for the 7 days. And like his promise is true, only my faith can undo the many chances I blew to bring my life to an end. Clear blue and unconditional skies have dried the tears from my eyes, no more lonely cries. My only bleeding hope is for the folk who can't cope with such an enduring pain that it keeps them in the pouring rain. Who's to blame for two and gain into your own vein? What a shame you shoot and aim for someone else's brain. You claim the insane and aim to stay in time for falling prey to crime. I say the system got you victim to your own mind. Dreams are hopeless aspirations and hopes are coming true. Believe in yourself, the rest is up to me and you.
Go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to.
was TLC, a fantastic record. Do you know that was a massive, massive hit? And even the celebrities, they were coming out saying, this is fantastic. The lyrics are so true. Don't go chasing stuff. Stick to what you know and stick to your own integrity, because when you are you and you're real and you are your real when you are you and your real authentic self, if somebody comes along, doesn't like it, you know what? I don't even tell them to jog on. I jog on because I haven't got time to waste to just stand there to convince someone it's this or it's that. What you see is what you get. You don't like it, you move on. Just move on, because you've actually lost nothing. In fact, you gained because you stuck with who you are. And when you do that, you will attract exactly what you want, whether it's a job, whether it's a love interest or whatever. But always be you. And I tell you, we're living in this forever fake world, and we need to sort of get back authenticity, you know, because that's the way forward, and that's the way to better mental health and happiness. And I think that's in a way why the song did so well, because everyone could identify with it, because we spend all our lives trying to convince someone, oh yes, we're this, that and the other. And it's like, when you do that, you're never enough for that person. Do you know what I mean? It's like, well, what more do you have to do? So you might as well just be yourself in the first place. And then you won't waste your time on someone or something or somewhere that just wasn't worth your time, because you remember, you are the designer label in the skin that you're in. You are perfection. And it's not that someone else wasn't a good person. It's just like a puzzle. You can force puzzle pieces together from different boxes of puzzles, but the fit's got to be right. So you have to find the puzzle that fits your groove the most comfortable. Okay? So on that note, yes, positivity, speaking in volumes here. On that note, please subscribe. Please hit the notification bell. Bing, 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 bing. Please share. And please thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching. You see, this is a very wide and diverse channel, just picking out things from all over the place. And then it's for you to go on and do more digging if you want to hear more of it, because I can't keep playing over and over. I have to pick certain things out from all different genres, because that's the fun of it. And it's listening to everyone else's music. And I really thank the subscribers who are here, because they're so wide in their thinking. They are marvelous, and they all talk to each other, and I talk to them as well. I try and make all the time to respond to as much as I can, and I like it too. I must admit, I've met some very, very beautiful people, and they're genuine, and they've checked out and everything through security, and they're just wonderful. So thank you. You know who you are. Anyway, on that note, please make sure you take care of you. Whatever the weather is at your side, you are the sunshine. Until I see you again, take care. Bye. Bye-bye.